The PFAFF Air 5000 has air threading loopers, and that means it's really easy to thread the loopers. I'm going to show you how and also run through some of the other features that make the PFAFF Air 5000 a very easy and pleasurable overlocker machine to use. So let's start by taking off the waste tray. Let's open the front cover and take a look at the air threading of the loopers. The first thing you need to do is change this lever across to threading mode, and you heard the snap. That was the sealing of the looper tubes. So when the looper tubes are sealed, that means you can use the air threading mechanism, and that's the lever that pumps the thread through. You can thread the lower looper or the upper looper, it doesn't matter which order that you thread in. There's a built-in converter for the upper looper, so if you were going to stitch a 2-thread rolled edge and you don't want to engage, you don't need the upper looper, that's so easy to disengage the upper looper with that built-in converter. So let's see how you thread the lower looper. So I'm going to switch the lever across, lay my thread in through the tension discs, which are open because the presser foot is up, putting 2 or 3 centimeters of thread, and it's threaded. Flip over the lever to the upper looper, lay your thread through the pathway, tension discs, dials, discs, and 2 or 3 centimeters of thread into the hole of the upper looper, and again pump the thread through, and that's how easy it is to thread. It also means that if you've finished your project with your white threads and you want to switch over to your black threads, that's so quick and easy now for you to be able to do that, or switch from a 4, 3 or 2 thread overlock. Put the lever back to sewing mode, close the front cover, and as I lift the machine you hear a pop. That's because there's suckers on the bottom of the machine, and also the machine is really solid and stable, so that keeps it really secure when you're sewing at top speed. Let's put back on the snap-on, snap-off waste tray. You can lift the presser foot a little bit higher, so if you've got bulky projects, that just helps to get that project underneath the presser foot. You can see there's a LED light that illuminates your sewing area. Threading the needles is also easier because you have got a built-in threading needle threader, which is great. Of course, there's the normal adjustment dials that you'd expect on an overlocker. You've got the stitch length and differential feed. You also can change the pressure on the presser foot with this dial. There's also a lever here to remove the stitch finger. So the stitch finger you turn off when you pull back when you want to do a rolled edge overlock, and also you flick over this lever and it tightens up automatically your lower looper. So lots of easy ways to convert between different stitches. The presser foot snaps off really easily, and that makes it easy to change feet. There are kits that you can also purchase to extend the techniques that you can do on an overlocker. There's an embellishment feet kit and a utility feet kit as well. So lots of features there that I've just quickly gone over on the PFAFF Air 5000, and they're all helping you with your project to be able to use the machine to its full potential with all the different stitches, changing the colours of your threads and your loopers, and also maybe experimenting a little bit with some decorative threads as well. So I hope you enjoyed that presentation of the PFAFF Air 5000, and if you're interested in looking or trying one of these out, you can contact a local dealer that's selling PFAFF and have a look at the machine in your local dealer. Thank you.